Yes.
Can you help me with mine? Look, it's falling apart.
You can put like a...
Can you fix it a little bit? What is your name?
Sing.
I'll sing. Everyone sing.
Yeah.
Namaste, Super Friends. Today is the 75th year of India Independence Day. And to help me celebrate, I'm wearing my Indian-inspired shirt. And I'm going to ask someone to help me with this turban. But before we get started, please subscribe if you haven't yet. And turn on the bell notifications. Super Friends, let's go! Can you help me put my turban? Nobody knows? No? Oh! Does anyone know how to put on a turban? No one? Anyone? Oh. Sir, can you help me with my turban?
Good, but how you want it? You want to cover your head?
Yes, the ears, and I want the blue to come out. What is your name?
Harry.
Ari? And where in India are you from?
I'm from city called Nagpur.
Oh, is that, oh, where's that?
It's the orange city of the...
Allu! Is it Allu? Is it Allu? Thank you so much. Is that Allu? Allu! Hi, Allu! Arjun! Hi!
Is that him?
Yeah!
He looks so good.
Yeah! Oh, my head!
What are you doing?
Can you...
Playing with my thing.
Yeah?
Alright, you know what happened? It got through.
Oh, wait! Wait, look at what happened. Look at me.
One more.
Oh, okay. Huh? Do I look like a prince now? I think you have to do it. But thank you so much. Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste.
Can you say something in Hindi?
Oh, Vande Mataram. That means India is great.
That's right. The world's largest democracy. Thank you so much. Namaste. Officer, can you help me with my turban? Yeah. I started for about half an hour and no one helped me.
He's tying a turban on just like the one he has.
India, wait. Delhi. I think I saw ALLU ARJUN. He's over there. He's wearing black shirt. Super shout out! Thank you so much! Can you help me with my turban? Everyone is saying, oh, that's nice. And which part of India are you from?
New Delhi.
New Delhi, the capital. The capital and the second most popular city in India. Right? What else can you tell us about India?
India is a beautiful country.
Yep, it's on my bucket list.
If you have not been, you must go and have fun. You will love India.
And I love, thank you! I look like an Indian prince now, right? Thank you. Yo, look,
Yeah.
if you want a turban tutorial, you have to find Mr. Singh.
Sing. In
Look,
New York City.
I look like an Indian prince.
Yeah.
Namaste.
What's your name?
Fernando.
Oh, Fernando.
I'm usually Filipino, but today I'm Indian.
Oh, very good. God bless you. Glad to see you here. All right.
Thank you. Salamat, everyone. Namaste. And to all our Indian friends, congratulations on the 75th year of independence. Bye-bye.